Hello, everybody. This is Kimchi Crypto. Today, I'm going to share my hard-earned lesson, which was to focus only on their behaviors, not on their words. Let's dig in. I've talked about this dollar index, which is a wonderful, great indicator for all those crypto investors. Because, um, let me just repeat this once again. When Mr. Trump was elected in late 2016, DXY went up significantly, and same thing happened in late last year. And then in the next following year, in 2017, DXY had had decreased throughout the whole year, and I expected the similar type of thing would happen once again. DXY will go lower throughout the whole year of 2025. And this is significantly good for crypto and stocks. So DXY, as of April 23rd, it went up significantly, and then it collapsed. DXY fell from 110 to 98, which is a huge drop since January of this year. And weakened dollar, when it meets with increasing global liquidity, global M2, this will make the stock and crypto market to go much higher. It will just boost, it will just go to the moon, especially as time goes by. Bitcoin dominance currently stands at around 64%, which is relatively very high, which means we are in the Bitcoin land, and whereas altcoin price is severely undervalued. Still now, I assume that Bitcoin dominance currently 64, it will go lower just like this. It will go like in a wave pattern, and who knows exactly, but when Bitcoin dominance falls below 50, around in the middle of 40 or something, I think that would be a wonderful, lovely time to exit the whole crypto market this cycle. Bitcoin becomes fifth largest global asset, surpassing Google's market cap. Gold, number one, second, Apple, third, Microsoft, fourth, Nvidia, and fifth largest asset in the world is Bitcoin. For sure, gold price has risen up significantly, especially for the last 3 to 4 months, because of Mr. Trump, uncertainty, trade war, etc. That said, it's a great time to sell physical gold and buy digital gold instead. And if you are a half coiner or part coiner, try to become a whole coiner. Try to accumulate one Bitcoin, not only for yourself, but for your family members. In the next 5 to 7, 8 years, Bitcoin will outperform gold in terms of market cap, definitely. Bitcoin tops 93K as Trump's US China tariff optimism fuels crypto rally. Altcoins led by ETH, Doge, Sui followed Bitcoin higher as Treasury Secretary Bessant comments on US China trade boosted risk appetite. Mr. Trump is under huge pressure at home and abroad at the same time. Every single market crashed except gold. Anti-Trump protests are going on everywhere. Emergency meetings with car makers, retailers, etc. Mr. Trump, they are all complaining about the current situations and the forthcoming future. They're not going to survive under 25 dozens of, huge, tariffs. The car makers in the United States, they are complaining about this whole thing. That was why Mr. Trump, Bessant, a spokesperson of White House, told that tariff rates will be lower than expected without concrete, you know, some strategies, things like that. That said, I think Bitcoin price, U.S. and China, they cannot collide with each other. I think you know it's not going to take place. Whether that's Mr. Trump or Xi Jinping, either one of them will definitely try to avoid being crashed each other. When Bitcoin price increases as a result of global liquidity, as a result of the uncertainty going, it's going away, Bitcoin price will increase for sure, and then altcoin price will go much higher, especially with DXY decreasing, liquidity increasing in the world. CoinMarketCap altcoin season index is currently standing at 15, which is extremely undervalued right now. It could be a trading investment tip for you. When I really want to buy certain crypto assets, I refrain myself from buying them a couple of times at least. And when I really want to sell certain crypto assets, again, I refrain myself from selling them a couple of times. And and then I can buy a wonderful blue chip coins at lower prices, and then I can sell those digital assets at much higher prices. This went pretty well. It worked very well for me in the past several years. And now I refrained myself from selling physical gold a couple of times. And now I'm going to sell my gold this week and hope this works for you as well. Lutnick's Cantor plans $3 billion Bitcoin venture with SoftBank and Tether. $3 billion Bitcoin investment vehicle with SoftBank, Tether, and Bitfinex. Not only the United States, but China's Tether, Bitfinex, and Japan's SoftBank, superpower countries, superpower companies, they are all doubling down on Bitcoin right now. Don't focus on their words. They're going to change their words just all of a sudden, but they cannot change their behaviors. So focus on their behaviors only, because behavior tells us the direction of where the smart money is going. Exactly. In short, follow their behaviors, not their words. Thank you for listening.